Hello, You Shine crew. How is everybody doing today? Happy Saturday. I know you're probably wondering what in the world is Jen up to now? What is this all about? Well, I am on here today. I just figured out how to do a screen recording, which I'm pretty excited about. But I'm on here today doing this little video here because I wanted to address some of the issues that we had with my last live. I know I had a few people come on and say that they did not get notified that I had gone live. On top of the fact that I was already 10 to 15 minutes late going live, they did not get notified at all, and so they missed the first 30 to 40 minutes of my video, which is not cool. I don't like that at all, you guys. So I wanted to figure out what was going on. So I've been doing some investigating today, you guys. I've been doing some studying up a little bit on Facebook and notifications and things like that. So right now I am logged in actually as my husband because that was the only way that I was going to actually be able to test this out for you guys so I could show you. Right now I'm just on the Paparazzi Accessories Facebook page. But what we're going to be doing first and foremost is we are going to be going, first of all, to the You Shine Jewelry business page. As you can see, when I type in You Shine Jewelry up here at the top, it brings me to You Shine Jewelry business page, which is this, and it also pops up the VIP page. See, You Shine Jewelry VIP crew, right? All right, so we're going to go to the business page. So as you can see, I've got two pages. Whoops, I just went to the You Shine Jewelry VIP crew. Let's back up. Let's try that again. Let's just go to the business page, okay? So when I click on You Shine Jewelry, it does bring me up a few options here, okay? There is somebody down here with You Shine Jewelry. Come on, that's not us. We're right here. All right, it's this top one, You Shine Jewelry, you guys. So you're gonna click on that, and that will open up my business page, okay? You guys are all familiar with this, I'm sure you are. You've seen this page before. So this is where I am launching every live video from now on. I used to do my live videos from my personal page, and then I would share to this business page as well as the VIP page. Now I am launching my videos from my business page because that's following Facebook rules. Also just feel like it's a better place to launch these videos. But anyway, I'm wondering if this is a reason as to why some of you aren't getting notified, and I will show you why. Okay, first and foremost, what you want to make sure is that you have liked, you see this right here, where my cursor is, that you have liked my business page, okay? So I do notice, after I looked at my last live video, I could see that some of the people who were interacting on there, I can tell from some of the analytics and things that they give me, that some of the people on there who are my regular customers have not yet actually liked this business page. It says that you've been invited to like it, but that you haven't actually clicked on this like button, okay? So for today's purposes, I actually had to have my husband unlike my business page, or I did it actually for him, so that I could show you what this does, okay? So you're going to click here on like, okay? So now it says you've liked it. You see how it's now the little thumbs up is blue. It's all lit up blue, okay? So now it says that you've liked my business page. And you also notice right next to this, it now says you're following my business page, okay? And now you might think, oh, that's good enough. That means I'm following. That means I'm going to be getting notified when she goes live. Well, after a little investigating today, not quite the case, okay? So this is what I'm going to show you here. So if you hover over following, you'll get this little drop down menu here, okay? So the very first top part here, it says in your news feed, and you have a few options here. It automatically chooses default, okay? So let's go here to this little pencil and find out what that means, okay? So default means see posts in their usual order from this page, okay? So you can decide if you want to leave it that way, which is totally fine. I think that seems totally acceptable. So just by default, the posts that I make, in the usual order that they are in from this page. Okay, you could, if you'd like, click on see first. It says see new posts from this page at the top of your news feed. So if you really want to make sure that you see everything from this new news or from this page on your news feed, then you could click see first. I think default will probably be fine because I'm going to show you something next, okay? Definitely don't do unfollow. That's not what we want. So choose default or see first, one of those things. You might get a little annoyed with me if you do the see first because you'll be seeing all my stuff before anything else, okay? But default might be what you want to go with here, okay? So we do that, default. Now, over here, we were just working with our news feed. Go to notifications, okay? Now here is the tricky part, okay? You want to make sure that you've got standard. I'm going to go back over here a minute. Okay, so we're going to click notifications. We're going to click this little pencil, okay? Now, under notifications, you're going to want to make sure that standard is selected. And what that means is all notifications from this page, up to 5 per day, okay? I typically do not post on this page more than 2 or 3 times per day, okay? So you really don't need to worry about me going crazy on this page with posts. So standard is what you want to make sure it is highlighted. Sometimes I've noticed computers will automatically just select highlights, notifications about suggested posts from this page. So if yours is just on highlights, you guys, it won't give you all notifications for this business page, okay? So you really want to make sure that you've got standard selected as far as posts, okay? So that is what you want to make sure you've got going on under the following drop-down menu, okay? So you could do default or see first if you really want to make sure you see everything, okay? And then you want to make sure with notifications that you click on that little pencil, that you have standard selected on that. Pretty simple, but that is what you really want to make sure you've got going on as far as the business page goes, okay? So again, this is the business page, You Shine Jewelry. This is my business page. Please make sure you've got it liked. Make sure that under following, you've got these things set up correctly, okay? So that you're going to get notified when I go live, okay? Let's see, what else, you guys? What else? Let's go to the VIP page really quick. So I just clicked up here and it brought me to You Shine Jewelry VIP Crew. So that's the VIP page. So let's go to that a second. And let's see what we can figure out here, okay? So first of all, if you have not yet joined this group, okay, you're going to want to make sure you click on Join Group, okay? So what will happen then is you'll get a pending notification here, okay? So what's going to happen then is someone, probably me, will go ahead and approve you to the page. Okay, I'm going to do that really quick here. All right, so I just approved, and here it says your request to join You Shine Jewelry VIP crew has been approved. Now you can post and comment to this group. Yay! All right, so we're going to go back and click on this and kind of refreshes everything, okay? So now you're a part of the VIP crew. You're part of this page, okay? Which is really cool because I like to do things on here. Okay, I like to have some fun. Sometimes we do sneak peeks of jewelry. Also, we do Wear It Wednesday where you can win a free piece of jewelry. Lots of fun stuff like that. I let you get notified if invoices went out. Yeah, little sneak peeks of different things going on. Thoughtful Thursday, Tip Tuesday. So I do share my live videos to here as well if you want to ever watch replays. Things like that, you guys, okay? So make sure that you've joined this VIP page as well. This is no longer pending, so I don't know why it is saying that because I did approve it. So yes, joined. There we go. See how now it says joined? Okay, look over here though. Okay, we've got another button here. It says notifications. Let's click on that once and see what it shows. Look at this, you guys. Automatically, it shows highlights. Okay. So it's only going to show you some of the posts from this page, okay? Facebook is going to go ahead and pick and choose what it thinks you might want to see from this page. You want to make sure that you've got all posts clicked on this page, selected for this page, okay? So that is a really important thing, you guys, to make sure that you're going to get notified every time I post on this page, okay? Anytime I go live, because remember, I do share my lives to this page as well. So yeah, you're going to want to make sure that under notifications that you've got all posts selected, not just highlights, not just friends posts. You definitely don't want to make sure they're off. You want to make sure you've got all posts selected for notifications, okay? All right, you guys, so that is kind of it in a gist. I really hope that that helps everybody out with making sure that you get notified when I go live. Another thing I noticed that when I do go live that happens is that there will be a little like bell or something that pops up. I'm wondering if that shows up here, if I pull up one of my lives here really quick. So this is my last live. So up here at the top, you'll notice where it says I'm following, okay? There's a little bell right here. You're going to want to make sure, we've already done that on this page, which is why this is probably selected. But just double check, you guys. Double check under that little bell that you've got all selected, okay? Get notified whenever they go live. One thing I have noticed with Facebook, as I've followed many other people's lives on Paparazzi, including people on my team, I have noticed that that basically I don't get notified sometimes. I don't get notified until 30 minutes into their live. I really hope that doesn't happen. I really hope that doesn't continue to happen. But unfortunately, we're kind of at the mercy of Facebook and their processes. So hopefully you guys will all get notified now. But again, most important thing, you guys, is that you've liked this business page, You Shine Jewelry. You want to make sure you've liked it. Under following, you want to make sure your notification is all on all posts. So you're going to click on that little pencil. Make sure you've got standard selected, not highlights. You want to make sure you've got standard selected so you get all notifications, okay? And then also for the VIP crew, you're going to want to make sure that you've joined it, first of all, okay? And that under notifications, you've got all posts selected, okay? And then whenever I do go live, if you ever have me up on the screen live or you're watching a replay like this, you're seeing this up here at the top, you want to make sure that you're following me, and then on this little bell, under this bell, you're going to want to make sure you've got all selected, okay, so that you get notified. So that is it the gist of it, you guys. So hopefully this all made sense. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and I don't want you guys missing any lives. Hey, and by the way, I'm almost up to 200 likes on my business page. That would be fantastic if by the end of the day we had 200, even more than that on here. That would be awesome. I would love it if you guys, if you haven't yet liked this business page, to give it a like. That would be fantastic. So share it with your friends too, you guys. You know how you do that? Right here. Share. Look at this. Share on your timeline. You could say, this is my wife's business page. Should I do that with my husband? This is my wife's business page. You should give it a like. And then do a little winky face. What do you think? Should we see if I can get some more likes doing that? Does he even have a winky face? There it is. All right, I'm going to post this for my husband because he needs to be encouraging people to like my business page, right? All right, so that is in it just on how you share that as well. So feel free to share my business page with people who you think might enjoy $5 accessories, 100% lead and nickel free. But that's about it, you guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully you guys get notified every time I post and go live. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for working with me and bearing with me through all the kinks. You guys are awesome. All right, we'll see you guys later. All right, bye.